Hello!
Hello, welcome to day 8 of...
The Advent of Codemas.
And let's just open the box.
Yeah, we get straight into it. And
we have some more male-to-male jumper wire or whatever they're called.
lots and lots of cables.
How many cables do we need?
Well, it seems to be the same 3 again, and I think we're going to take 3 out and put 3 in again.
Sorry.
What is this?
What? It's like a cable, but with something weird on the... Ow! Oh, it has spiky thingies that plug into breadboard. 3
male cables there. Temperature sensor? My guess, tracking temps. I didn't get it from the website, I guess because it looks like a temperature sensor.
And it says tracking temps.
I saw that later. Now, it looks like the kind of temperature sensor actually that would have been pushed into part of a 3D printer.
That's true, right? Okay, that makes sense.
So there are a couple.
Oh, we missed something. We missed something.
Oh, and there's a resistor.
It's a resistor which poked a hole through the bag.
With winter very much here and getting colder every day, yes, it is. Keep an eye on the temperature. So it's a custom waterproof temperature sensor. Nice.
Ooh.
Okay, with male jumper wires, and that one resistor, which apparently is 4.7K. I presume we're going to do something on the mini breadboard with the resistor. So
that's mine after Advent.
Okay, so this is a DS18B20. This is using the Onewire protocol. So this is actually a lot like those 3-pin tiny ones. It's just in a waterproof capital. I've been using those.
Perfect.
Onewire, serial communication over a single wire. So it allows it to talk to our controller. 2 wires, your ground and your voltage. The one wire is it's only using one for actually the data and transmission.
Right.
As opposed to sometimes where you've got a send and a receive and a clock, and some of these have 4 wires for the transmission plus your 2 ground and positive.
We need to remove the PIR.
And I'll remove the PIR.
You're not on cam. Oh.
Okay, and I'm going to remove the PIR from here because, I accidentally yanked one of the grounds with it. Whoops, because it's the same colour. That ground.
That needs to go here to here. So we're going to add the temperature sensor. Okay, how much wire do we need for this?
Now it's showing some specific wire colours in specific places, so I think these now matter.
I hope that works.
And we've got a resistor to connect the yellow and red wires.
Don't forget to bend the resistor with the tip of your nail, just to get a sharp cut. One of you goes just under the red, and the other goes a couple ahead. That's a pretty bent up wire.
That'll do.
Last time we trimmed stuff on camera, it all went ping across the room.
Oh,
exactly the same as yesterday, with the same kind of wires.
It really is. And I'm wondering if really we just needed to change what the middle wire is doing here.
I never really counted, I just placed them where I thought. And then you need to plug them in so that the equivalent of the yellow one is under the other yellow one.
So ground goes into white, purple in the middle, grey one goes over here. So we've got this DS1820 one wire, and we're setting up this sensor with a one wire port on a particular pin. Paste that in, and it's going to print the temperature for ROM in ROMs. Why are they calling it ROMs? Sensor contains a unique ROM code. Yeah, why wouldn't you just call it sensor in sensors?
I mean, it's something in somethings, so it works.
Yeah, exactly. Play.
And can you do the typing?
It's going to be what? Day
8
temp.py. Okay, 23 degrees. And if I hold it...
25 degrees.
25 degrees. It waits 2 seconds.
26, because it's holding your hands. You're going to make it warmer.
Waits 5 seconds each time. Quite a long time for it to wait.
So
yes, I'm trying to make sure I'm not covering the graph, you see.
Ah.
Yes. I'll put it between my hands. Here you go.
Kind of goes up by roughly 1.5.
Well, it's basically we're waiting for the temperature of my hands. Okay, so it's going to slow down as it takes... Yeah, okay. So fine. We definitely are quite clear that's working. And if I now cool it off... No, it works. Look.
It's
you
gone
can see
down.
the count. Yeah, you can see the graph is looking good there. All right, I think we're confident that works.
What's next?
Yeah. temperature indicators. We're going to drive our LEDs to give a visual indication.
Perfect.
Red below 18, amber at 18 to 22, and green if it's over 22. We might
That'll
have
be
to
hard
change
to
those
test.
numbers. Yeah. So based on here, we could probably go for something like 26, 30, and 32 or something.
That would work better for us because we aren't freezing.
Okay, I'll let you change the values then. So if it's below, should we say if it's below? Oh, no, that's because my fingers are up.
29.
Yep. Is it really that hot ambient temperature out here? Can't be that hot in this room.
25 then, 25. 20. We'll make it 26 so that we can see it.
Okay.
26 and
If
less
it's 26 in here, this thing might not be calibrated. If it's 26 in here, then yeah, I'd be very surprised. It is winter. It is not that warm in here.
There we
I
go.
think it's possibly because I've been handling the thing. Is when we find out.
Probably.
Does it print it as well? It does print it. Okay, cool.
So, day 8, light temp,
Yep.
dot pi.
Line those up nicely.
Let's have a look.
So this is just in ambient temperature. It's 28. It's not ever 28 in this room.
No, it's because you've been handling it and also because there's
What
a
if I
tiny
measure
thing in
this laptop temperature?
there. That's going to go up real high.
Well, it's not doing a lot right now.
That's true.
Oh, I love how that graph looks like a continuation of the other graph there.
If you started running, I don't know, Minecraft, then it might be different. Oh no, it's warming up. Your hand is... Oh, that's a fast warm.
Yeah, that's my hand. Look, it's gone red there. So now, getting it to go amber. Oh, well, actually now, our amber isn't the same as their amber. Or we just put it in a glass of cold water, given it's waterproof. But
Okay, you can get a glass of water. I'm saying right now that this is a bad idea and that...
So I've got a glass of water. I'm going to put it, just dip it there, so it doesn't go
And
past the top of
see
the package.
The readings here.
Yeah. Oh, hello.
Way.
Which is where our amber, which would have been green, was. That's dropped right the way down.
It's gone bye-bye.
Carrying on down to 22. I still don't trust that number, 22.
No, I don't. Our
Like-
water is probably not that.
No,
We're not going to drink this water, right?
you don't have to.
Looks
And,
like a pretty steep cliff.
And then if I put it in my hand, oh, it feels cold actually. And immediately when I put it
It
on my
goes
hand, it goes up again. So,
Whoa.
yeah. No, that's my hand in a glass of water. I mean, you know. What's next?
You
A
take the wheel.
temperature alarm. Okay, so we're going to have a
Oh.
buzzer again. I did have to plug that back in, which means it might not be in the right pins, but we'll see. We've basically got the same buzzer and the same
Yep.
duty cycle, and that'll do the same 500, 1000. Okay, well, we'll change those numbers to slightly more pleasant alarm numbers than before.
Yeah, maybe the ones we used yesterday. 500 and 800 or something?
Oh.
500, 1000.
Oh, yeah. So let's just at least stick to what the comments
5.
suggest. All right. And that does an alarm of 5. You know what? I'm going to do it 3. 3 times only.
Just to save our ears.
So
Copying our ifs.
Well, that just says if it goes below 18. So I guess we'll say if it goes below 25.
I used 26, but okay.
This is because we've not calibrated this sensor to our
If you
room.
go down, though.
No, there's only that.
Oh,
Yeah, it's much simpler. This one doesn't have LEDs as well. Day 8.
alarm.
Yep. We ought to get
This
that
is if
water
it goes
closer.
more than 25, though, isn't it?
Less than.
It's about to go down. Come on, come on, come on. That's so cute. That's so funny.
It was quite quiet. Did I leave that 1,000 instead of 10,000? No. Oh, no. I think I've not got this plugged into the right
Pins.
pins. Yeah.
I can show you the diagram.
Yep. Show me the diagram.
Here we go. 2 across from the end.
There.
Okay.
That's a bit better. Okay, and if I want it with my hands, we should stop the alarm going. Okay, we should be above. Yep, okay, there you go. My hand's nice and warm.
Going up. Looks like a giant shrugging person.
Back in the drink.
Back in the drink. This is evil. That poor sensor's going to be like, why? Why are you changing so much?
I guess you could use such an alarm to stop, say, pipes freezing. So you got to have a pipe freeze alarm. And this takes a while even after coming out of the drink to warm up again. So if I leave it at ambient temperature...
That's because it's metal.
I'm just going to leave it at ambient temperature of the room and just see what temperature it settles at if I'm not handling it. Except if that ambient temperature is below 25, it's going to kind of alarm us the whole time.
That's going to be nice.
Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop the alarm one. Let's go for this light one. Because I want to know what it settles our ambient temperature at, because I don't think it's 30 something or 25. This is not right. If this is in degrees, there's no way that water was 20 degrees, because it came straight out of the cold tap.
That's going to be more like 5-10 degrees.
Yeah, so this is not in degrees. It's something relative to itself.
Which is a little bit not right, but it works.
Yeah.
With the readings we've got.
So it's stabilising it around about 25-ish.
If it were 25 in here, we'd be roasting potatoes.
Yeah, it would be summer. Okay, so we've kind of demonstrated we've got the ambient temperature. We've done our little temperature alarm.
And is that going to be it? They normally have it.
Day 8 is complete. Okay, so we've got a rather good demonstration of our temperature sensor. We've got a temperature alarm. We've got temperature lights running. There's a little sad face, yeah. And we played around with what the temperatures are in the room.
Yeah.
I hope you've enjoyed today's Advent Codemas Day.
Go make stuff and be awesome.
Bye!
It's
It's not under the camera is what it is.